So I get to pick up my Apple Watch Series 4 in 3 hours and 2 minutes, and I'm pretty excited to see the new device in action, as well as compare it against, well, all these other Apple Watches that I've had, the Series 1 through 3, so it should be pretty awesome. So between now and 8, I'm gonna go work for a bit, then I'm gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna go drive to the Apple Store and maybe make fun of the people standing in line who didn't pre-order it. So I'm just about at the Apple Store, getting ready to go get the Apple Watch Series 4. I'm pretty excited about the Apple Watch Series 4, especially over the iPhone XS. The XS, such a tiny incremental upgrade between that and the 10. But the Apple Watch, there seems to be all these new features in it, though the one feature that I'm most excited about, the ECG, I don't think is going to be available in Canada anytime soon. So I really think Apple should give me back some of my money. Their security guard. Does anybody actually know what they discuss in these morning meetings? Don't let people steal iPhones. Don't let them take them. Customer service is great. I think they do a cheer at some point in time as well. I've always contemplated working at the Apple Store if, I got bored.
Can I speak to you for a second?
Sure.
We don't allow filming in the mall,
Okay.
so if you could just turn it off, that
Sure.
would be appreciated. Thank you.
Okay. I wonder if the guy stops every single person who Snapchats. So, got my Apple products. Hopefully I don't get mugged on the way to my car or hijacked on the way to my home. It's kind of funny. They lined up as the window doors were opening and they clapped for us, saying, "Congratulations, congratulations." A little weird. It is what it is. I guess some people get really excited about their Apple products. I guess I am a little bit too, but let's head home and let's go crack these things open. Oh, Apple Watch. This I'm excited for. iPhone XS, not so much. So let's get this started. And yes, I am wearing all my Apple Watches, just, because I can. Peel off. Oh. The thing broke. That sucks. Now I have to go get a opening tool. This should work. Not quite sure what this is. This is new. Different. This seems very confusing. How do I open it without breaking anything? That was the worst. That's pretty cool. I won't lie to you. Pretty cool. To-do. Signed by Apple in California. So, the usual. Got charger, more pucks, so many pucks. And here is the device. Oh, it's got like this felt thing on it. This is new. Is it keeping it warm? Maybe. I do like this. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it, but I do like it. So that's the device. You're right, Jeff. The back does look beautiful. And this is the strap that I got. The Seashell Sport Loop. It looks almost identical. So let's get this thing set up. I don't know, is it another way for Apple to save money? Is that I think this loop is bigger than the new loop. It totally is, isn't it? All right, let's power her up. So this is an iPhone XS. If you guys want to know, if you want to watch the unboxing for that, go check out the link in the description. This is very underwhelming. This I am very excited about. It's actually the first time I've bought a silver Apple Watch, so.
Here's what I found on the web for is very underwhelming. This very excited about sex for the first time. I bought a silver Apple Watch, so quite sure how many. Have a look.
Did you get that? I'm not quite sure what prompted this, but this is an iPhone 6 Plus, 6 Plus, that I was using for the iOS 12 speed test, and for some odd reason Siri triggered, and it picked up this. Wow. Workout route tracking. That's pretty cool. Let's use Siri, turn on Siri, watch analytics. Yeah, sure. Okay, create a passcode. Super secure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow. Use code. Look how big that screen is. That is massive. That is pretty cool. Impressive, actually. During the, whatchamacallit, the keynote, whoever it was, Jeff, he was just like, it's 30% bigger. I'm like, whatever. But this is kind of neat. That is noticeably bigger. Wow. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Emergency SOS. Sure. And choose later. Apple Watch is syncing. So we will just hang out for a bit. So I'm actually very surprised at how different the watch faces actually look, especially when compared to all the other devices. Like between the Series 1 through 3, the size of the watch generally hasn't changed. And so being able to see this new form factor and that massive screen is pretty neat. The back of the iPhone does look a little different. It looks different. I don't know if it's really that much more beautiful. I guess I'm going to do a ton of workouts with this device, so kind of interesting to see if, you know, really grody sweat and grime crap just collects along the edges like they have for all these other things. Like, that's so gross. So gross. Grody, 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 gross bits. Apple Watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Ooh, anniversary. I've actually been married to my wife for 5 years now. Today is our anniversary, which isn't great that it falls on an iPhone release day, but I'm gonna go treat her to a nice dinner tonight. Vapor. The Breathe app. If you guys watched the my 10 things I noticed about the Apple Watch, you'll know why I think that's kind of funny. So one of the things I forgot I was going to mention earlier was when it comes to working out, if you want to know which strap I personally prefer, do check out that video. I've worked out with a ton of Apple Watch straps, and I can definitely tell you that one of these, actually, yeah, it's in this pile here, is definitely better than all the other ones, and it's not the Nike ones. Spoiler alert. Now, I'm very excited about the Apple Watch, the Apple XS. Extremely not excited, but this Apple Watch Series 4, with what they've done potentially with the ECG and everything, I think it is a glimpse into what kind of potential this sort of device has. And I'm very excited to see what they do with in the next couple of years with this product. Personally, I think the Apple Watch is going to be way bigger than it is. I think I said in my previous Apple Watch video that this was going to be the mainstream device here on out. The iPhone, all the smartphones reached maturity, whereas in this stuff, there's a lot of innovation left to go with these devices. So pretty excited to see what goes on. Now let's see if we can turn on fall detection, because that's actually the only thing that I'm really interested in. I don't know how to turn on the fall app. That's the next video they're going to shoot, is can I invoke the fall detection on the Apple Watch Series 4, so do stay tuned. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. Producing a ton of content for the new Apple Watch Series 4 as well as the new iPhone XS's. I am still waiting for my XS Max, which is going to be the iPhone that I'm going to do a ton of drop tests with, or maybe just one drop test, because after one drop, it may break.